Hey there, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will show you how to get multi-snap back on Snapchat. So for this, let's open our app. Now go to your profile and click on settings. Now here you need to scroll down until you find I need help option. Once you find it, click on it. So a new tab will open like this. Now here you need to scroll all the way down to the end where you will find contact us option. Click on it. Now here you need to submit a request. So choose the option I need help with Snapchat feature. Then scroll down and choose camera from here. Now again scroll down and there we have this long snap option. Click on it. Now here you need to enter your username and then enter your email. Once you enter the email, then you need to briefly describe your issue that you want multi-snap back on your Snapchat and then click on this captcha and then click on submit. Once you fill this captcha, then your request will be submitted and Snapchat will get back to you within 24 hours and your problem will be solved. So if this video helped you, leave a like on the video and make sure to subscribe us. Thank you for watching. Bye.